our first real station, but it at the 5 and dime. Late till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. We had some guys from school. We had a band. We tried real hard. Jimmy quit. Joey got married. Should've known we'd never get far. And when I look back now, the stars seem to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. They knew you were sitting complaining, then you got a job to do. So my evenings down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you here, standing on your mama's porch. You told me that you'd wait forever. Oh, and when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Whoa, yeah. Back in the summer of '69. Then we were killing time. We were young and reckless. We needed to unwind. I guess that nothing can last forever, forever, no. And now the times are changing. Look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I play that old 6-string, thinking that you wondered what went wrong. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. Oh, and when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those are the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69. Me and the baby in '69. Oh yeah, it was the summer of '69. I fell over then. I must have lost my footing. Oh, thank